Hey everyone, Ryan come back at you here with video 3 of 3 of first off the line, Immaculate Collection basketball. If you've seen the other two, you know there are 6 cards a pack. And the promo, which is the last card at the bottom of the stack, is an Emerald short print to 8. So here again is the nice tin with the red foil for a nice pop. Comes in a nice maroon case, as they do for most of their high-end products, is this nice cardboard box instead of a traditional pack. Let's see what we got. On the top, for the Phoenix Suns, Tyson Chandler. Oh, nice. Nice one's good. Dwayne Wade, number 12 of 99. Wearing his Bulls uni. Happy to see that he'll retire as a Heat player. Looks most appropriate on him. This one is pretty sick. Nike swatch, number 1 of 2. Blake Griffin. And they've got him in the right uniform. That's good. For your Detroit Pistons, Blake Griffin, 1 of 2. Naughty. So random. This card is so random. Ex-Pacer, number 7 of 10. Steven Jackson for the Spurs. With the nice Spurs logo patch in there. How many is that? 4. All right. Next up, Bob Lanier out of 25 with the red parallel. Got an RPA coming up next. Pretty solid player in my opinion. Harry Giles for the Kings out of 99. And then last but not least, 3 of 8, Russell Westbrook, Mr. Triple-Double. Boom. So that was a fun 3-box break. I hope you enjoyed it, and excited for basketball season to start officially here shortly. Hope everyone's doing well. Look forward to seeing you more soon up the road, and we'll talk to you soon. Deuces.